Do you know how lucky you are? When our parents reach retirement age, that was the end of the line. All they had to live on was whatever they'd saved up, and if they were lucky, a pension. Nowadays, when we reach our retirement years, we don't need to rely on a pension. How so? Well, yeah, you can carry on working in the workplace until you drop, but that's not what I mean. I mean, since you and I started in the workplace, they've invented something called the internet, and there are hundreds of ways you can earn an income online. Well, the workplace doesn't want you anymore because they can hire some young whippersnapper who's a quarter of your age for a quarter of the cost. It doesn't mean you're redundant. It doesn't mean you're on the scrap heap. It just means you need to find an alternative way to earn an income. One where you don't need to go to a job, you don't need to commute, and you don't need to report to a boss. How do you do that, Mike? Well, if you click a blue Learn More button below here, I'm going to send you some free videos, tutorials, introductory tutorials that show you step by step how somebody middle-aged like me goes through this training, has their eyes open to the amount of opportunity that's available online, and learns how to build online income streams, multiple online income streams ideally, and allows you to have the retirement that you deserve and enables you to earn that income without having to go to a job. Now, sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, that's what I thought when I first saw this. But I had the courage just to persevere and go through the training. And within 3 to 6 months, I'd started to get my first sales. And within 9 months, I'd replaced my previous 6-figure income. So if I can do it, a middle-aged guy like me, without any technical skills, then you can do it. So what are you waiting for? Click that blue Learn More button and find out how. Bye. Don't follow me, follow the online training. Click that blue Learn More button and learn how. I'm not after followers, I'm after students. Click that blue Learn More button, join the global community, and I'll see you on the other side.